Hello everybody, today we are going to be revealing our trucks, and remember, I'm back at it again. So, what we have here is, if you like monster trucks, you definitely know what this is. You definitely know who this guy is. If you know what monster trucks are, you know who this guy is. It's Gravedigger. He looks really cool. I think I've got the original one, but small. Yeah, from the inside, looks really nice. Even a little person inside. And from the back, it looks really cool. And yeah, I love how they put the silver in it. Okay. Now these aren't all my monster trucks I have. I have a lot more, but I'm not gonna show all of them because I won't really be in the mood. But today we have Blue Thunder. Like, they made the cab so detailed. It's got the back. It's got see-through tires. I love this one. It's one of my favorite monster trucks in the universe. They make it so detailed. They even had the person inside. They even had those things, whatever they are. They've got their logo on the front. Yeah. Really smooth, by the way. Okay, now we have a classic Monster Mart. Here's the this version. Here's the Dalmatian version. Like, he doesn't like exactly drive straight, but he's got really spinny wheels, really nice suspension, jacked up, by the way. Looking from the front, he looks really cool. If you look through these, it doesn't have a person. Wheels do spin. And yeah, it's Monster Mart. Now, this isn't... Now here we are, like the Hot Wheels versions of monster trucks, which I don't have. I don't know the name of this one, but he is detailed. He's got green wheels. He literally is the Flip Master. He's the Flip Master. Oh, he doesn't always learn. He's got nice teeth. This guy is a bit wrecked on the front. Otherwise, he feels really nice. His tail stops everything. You can see the motor. You can see everything about this thing. It's an epic. That you look through. I don't think you can see through him. Now, I saved my particular, like, one of my favorites for last. This is like this. I don't know the name, like most Hot Wheels cars. Literally, it's a spin around and still backflip. It's literally everything, especially streamlining. It is so streamlined. It's really cool. You can see the motor. It's really hard to though. Orange wheel, orange don't know what the rims. These engine things. And if you look inside, don't think you can see anything. Okay, and that will end today's videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.